Hi folks, this is Raj, founder of Carigaar. I'm back again with some news, and some updates. We have launched our local news channel and now working on it to make it better. It, it, it's a channel totally for small businesses. It will help small business to express their thoughts, emotions or feelings without any restriction. Many times we can't express our true feelings or thoughts as social media channels has many restrictions. But don't worry anymore, local is there for you now, where you can express anything about your business or whatever you want. Also, you can promote uh, your business, launching of new products, showcase your skills, present offers, and many more. Local will be like a complete news page for small business owner.